Hello, I'm Maria and this is my mum, and today we are reviewing a sensory box.
This box has been given to us by sensoryplaybox.co.uk. All the links to them are in the description below. Shall we begin?
Yeah, let's
So,
begin.
This is the outside. What's on the inside?
Here's the inside.
Wow, look at all of that.
We should get all
Rip
of
it out. Rip it out. Oh,
And this
what's the
is
first thing?
a doodle pad.
Shut up. Shut up. Put it up here. The doodle pad. Open it.
Yeah, we're going to find the pen. There's the pen. We're going to get it out.
Right, you hold it. Right, go on in. Do it up so they can see.
Okay, so you, like if you want to draw, it's magic.
Wow.
You can actually write your friend's name on. Like I7.
So you should be like, oh, I love her, and then you could do that.
Yeah.
That's it. That's perfect. And do you? Oh, perfect. Look at that, guys. How cool is that?
Let's
Right.
carry on.
Let's carry on. What's next?
I don't know what this is.
Let's have a look. Oh, look.
Ooh.
There's a ball in it. I'm assuming it's a maze. Can you feel the ball?
No.
Look here. Aha!
It's a maze. It's a maze.
It is. I think it is anyway.
Oh, you just move it around.
No, it's good, isn't it?
With your finger.
What else is in
Carry
here? Look, there's
on.
loads of paper still.
This is like
There's lab glue.
yeah. So it's like a science project.
Should we get it out?
Yeah.
To see how gooey it is?
Yeah.
Let's take it off here and we can put it on top of here. Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Yeah? Bit tricky, these things, aren't they?
Yeah, they're so hard to open,
Oh,
guys.
even I'm struggling.
I think we'll need the scissors. I think.
I don't know. Get another one out and I'll try and get this done by the end of the video.
Okay. So this, it's already been open, guys.
No, it's come open in the box.
Oh yeah. So this is the liquid timer. Let's open it and see what's in here. Wow.
Wow.
That is so cool. How do you say that?
That's it.
Okay, whoa. This is how it looks, guys.
Oh, well, look at it go down.
It goes very quickly down. And if you want it the other side, you can have it the other way. This is how it goes down. And
That's
this
cool.
is how it goes up. Down again.
Well, it's confusing, isn't it? Up, down, up, down.
Yeah, we're just going to put it down there.
Well, we've got the goo. We'll see how it's like. Watch.
Okay. Watch, guys. Guys, watch.
Oh. It doesn't want to come out. Oh. Oh.
Oh, it feels so oogie.
Oh, it's so slimy.
Yeah, it just feels like slime.
Nice. Oh no, have you lost it? Oh no, you've got paper stuck to it. Do you see what else is in there and leave it to slop around on there?
Yeah.
What else can you see?
This is a ball.
Oh.
My brother has these. And when you do that, look, it lights up.
That's cool.
That's how it looks like. We're going to put that.
Should we just throw it over that way because I can see your brother's
Yeah.
intrigued. Theo.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Let's get this out, guys. Look, Theo has this. But he's going to light up one. Oh.
I know this is a light up one. Look, that's it. Wow.
Oh, guys.
Quickly. Look, quick. Look. You do it quickly and look.
Yeah.
Goes fine.
Yeah. We're going to put that into the box.
Well, keep it over here. we can have it.
No.
Should we try and balance it somewhere?
We can't balance it.
I reckon we can.
Oh, this is super bouncing.
I wonder if it is super bouncy.
Yeah, we're going to open it now. Come on. I think we'll need the scissors.
I don't think we will. Do you want me to open it or? Use your strong muscles.
I can't open it.
You can't open
It's
it.
too hard. But guys, it's so...
Oh, you got to put it. Oh, you done it.
Yeah. So if you press this, it changes colour.
I don't think we.
And it turns it off. Do that. Do that. Oh, look. Wow. It's so cool. You can put it in the scarf. You can. And in the at the back.
There you go.
There it is. It just feels like
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Say that then. Look at it.
It's hard. It's hard to get out.
Do you want some help? Just rip it out. Just rip it out.
It's bouncy.
Oh. Oh, not on the floor. I don't know. It'll bounce better. Oh, well, we've lost that.
Don't worry, guys. I'll come back.
No, don't worry. Look, we've got plenty of it in there. Look at it.
Yeah, so much.
Just rip
Now
it all
let's get
out.
in. The next one. Oh, this is called Go Bouncing.
Oh, well, it definitely went.
There it is. That's how it looks like. It feels so weird. Feel it, Mummy.
What does it feel? Oh,
It feels like
Oh.
grass.
it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. I bet it's bouncy. No,
It's not bouncy. What else have we got?
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Look at this. We're going to open this. If I can open it.
Oh no, is it another one we can't get into?
There we go. There we go. Get the bubble one.
Fantastic.
Cool. So cool. I'm just going to do this.
There you go. Oh. Well, this feels strange. You feel it?
Yeah. It does.
How does it feel?
It feels like bananas.
Bananas? Well, I've never known bananas to feel like that.
So,
Do you know what it reminds me of?
what does it remind you of?
It reminds me of Rice Krispie cakes.
Oh, yeah. it
Like with the marshmallow in.
Yeah, but this doesn't have...
Obviously, it's not edible.
No, it's not edible. Now we're going to see
What
the
next one? What colour have we got next?
green.
We've got the green one.
That's my mum's favourite colour.
It is my favourite colour.
And purple's my favourite colour with Daddy's.
Like Daddy.
So here's the green. It looks like grape.
Like grape? Oh, like green grapes. Okay.
Yeah. And you break it up. It looks like a burger.
Do you reckon it tastes like a burger?
No. This, I think it has a scent.
Does it smell?
No.
No.
Stinks.
Don't do that then. Oops. Oh dear. You got it? Okay. I was going to put the rubbish in a box, but you know.
There we go.
Well done.
Through it. It's hard to open. Ew! It feels really weird, this one, though.
Okay.
Get it.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Here's this. It
What
stinks-
colour is this one?
This is blue, and it looks like blueberry.
Bet it doesn't taste like it.
It stinks. Smell
Oh. let's not smell that. That doesn't smell as nice.
it. This actually smells a bit good. It smells like flowers. Doesn't it?
No, it smells like the other one.
Now it's second to last one.
Oh look, there's a fox behind this one.
Oh,
So look, behind
have
each one,
flavours. They
you've
have
got a
flavours.
monster behind this one. There's like an octopus behind
There's
this one.
a fox behind this one.
There's a fox behind that one and an astronaut behind this one.
A space.
So that all the colours that go with the picture.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's really hard.
Oh dear, this one's a bit stuck.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, there we go.
Look, it has stuff in there.
There you go.
This looks like orange. It's orange, and there's a fruit of orange.
There is a fruit of orange. Guess what else is
And
orange?
it's cut out of orange.
But guess what else is orange?
This is.
Mango. Right, we only had one more thing left in the box. So what is it?
This is called
What is
a
it?
tangle.
Oh yeah.
I've never had these before.
No.
I've never had them.
Can you open this one?
I think we'll need this.
No, we don't need scissors. Look.
Oh,
So watch your fingers.
Ow. They're really hard to open. Okay.
There you go.
So that
Watch your fingers. Good go.
there's this. Well, you see.
Wow.
Look what happens.
Don't put it. Oh, okay. It pulls apart. Who knew?
Who do?
You knew. I didn't know. Oh, look, the slime is sliming off the table. Oh.
Ew, that's really.
You got it, or do you want some help?
I need some help.
Oh no! Oh no! Don't put any more off. We'll never get it back together. There's one.
There's this one.
There's two.
So
Look at it. How cool is this though?
It looks really good and gooey.
It's definitely gooey. Look, see if you can get it in like a basketball. Oh no, there's tissue stuck to it. Yay! So that is everything from the box, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is everything, guys. And this is just a sample box that we were given for free.
Yeah, Chloe bought this for us.
Well, she let us review it for her, which is really nice, and we thank her so much for the opportunity. These boxes are usually around about £25 per month. You get different things in them each month, all different things. So great for children with sensory issues, and you know, if you're struggling for toys for them, these are great. This is the end of the video, I guess. So I'd say if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more,
smash that like button.
and hit that subscribe button.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!